odi ache ye enkwa na nne so ye kita mu no na abusua senne wo hwe wo nakan mu anase date ya ye wo mu a enne ye bosome ye toso du baako nida ya etoso du emiensa ye 13th November 2019 na afrase na omayimu emrahye bedwemu on the 15th of November say ya fie twa mu no ende na sa ka nemienu na duru ho ena soafo hwe omayi sikasem so omayi mrahye bedwemu woba ahonomo akonhumasika efiri wonimunyamfo kwadwo ban redu abreso ena mpanimfo yo ne seda bi ese yensi afinu mu ene yakasa afi ne ye behwe na yakonhumasika no ye de ho nsem abetudwa eti ye beye afin na etwamu no ansanti ye sha afin ase ya na ese sika no a ne ye de eye adwuma kono eti afi so mpanimfo di nhyehyeye so a na enei and wasi gina ese osoafo hwe omayi sikasem so onimunyamfo kenofori ata obeba omayi mrahye bedwemu na ne akonhumasika ne ho nsem sika ye de beba omayi ho bra afimpinu ene aduonu ya ye besimo abato afi election year ene ye komu no eti ye hwe sika ben ene ye di komu ne ye de beba omayi ho bra ne ye fa nhyehyeye yabodo ene sectors no ye beka chew se yapomudin wo mu adesua wo mu agriculture wo mu famfididwuma wo mu ye bobo abebre eti nesesoafo na hye bose wo ba fie ha no abaye adwuma na abusua ya asem nyina ne se ye di mpanimfo achi emrahye bedwafo ya enei wobo emrahye bedwamu ene soafo aboba omayimu mrahye bedwamu chiame ne wode maye ne ye di achi bi ne ya behwe na abusua na ade ba ko ada di ebo mrahye bedwamu ha no kane no nanka ye ba be kan budget ni se ya ubehu se nanka information e bia liki oh ye ba ne ye beti wei enne ye beti wei ba na de ne de asasuma kakra e so obi samrahye bedwafo no kra no a omaban na wosu ya omakacho ye nte hwe sa fe na bibi beba de a onimunyamfo okoboy wo ha se nti e bebisa no e bia no wate bibi e se ye de asototo fomu ano afi etwa mu de no ampanimfo kenkan ye 2019 de no bosha abosha ye no na ye behwe se de hin na ampanimfo atumi adi so abusua de hin na ampanimfo atumi adi so se so afo no o ma ye te ase afi etwa mu se budget no ma chemu nkurabata nsia emfididwuma industrialization de wom kwan ye befa so ne agege to eto ye bo se agege wo mayi mewomu ena ye ka omayi se ebo se ye hwe na ye kua yoso pagya eno so mpanimfo de ba mu eti nei ye bebo nkomponi ahwe saa pop mako nsia no bo hye ya mpanimfo hye ye no de hin no watumi adi so infrastructure ya mpanimfo ka se ye behwe ye beye ho adwuma entrepreneurship woni a wode wadwen ehwai se wo ye adwuma eno so mpanimfo ka ho asem ye behso wasene na niema akoyie saa bo hye ni nyina akosisen abusua wei ene nsem ene ne enne ye beje aka ho nti ne yesi adwa e wa Adum TV so efri saa bi kopem se ye bekenkan budget ne de ye ne mrahye bedwafo na nim difo a wonim de efasikasem ho ye ne wo ebesi adwa wo ha sei midin e de akua boahyewa yi adom ene mrahye bedwani ma wo manfo ye a wo dwaboso wo ha bia east wadan ne ho o ha se onimunyamfo Richard the Champion e wo fie ha sada so na mrahye bedwani ma manfo ye obo lejekuku e wo fie ha onimunyamfo okoboy eso e wo fie na mesumidin akua boahyewa yi adom mo fra mi ABY abusua mejo so ene team no ye dawson ene ye bai o mahene kwamra sante wo ha obi eye Philipos Ebosua wo ha Captain Smart wo ha say very solid team ene ya ba ne ye bekoso bia no ye be mo ate na che say ye producers ne woni aka nyina so eta ye chimpani form makwaba
mejo so many aba
boko de
it is
honorable boy calculations be na wo yi
say highlights kakra menya na mbe say me ye sure say ade a
na che say won sa kan na ne e ba so
budget
highlights points in kakra won sa so bi mu nti nne no ye hwe animu se de na e ba o pointers ye kita wo kakra won sa so mu no de na ye hwe animu se ba nsa che be change be na ye be hu
everywhere first of all no maminchia otiefo nyina ene ahwefo nso na machia me senior brother say eya okochi mi kakra e wo niam bi mu mintimi nka wa na yenwam mo wo lejekuku nyina nso mi chia wo ene ABY ene beye eda nyankopɔn adom for the first time wohwɛ a most election year budget no ɛyɛ government no sɛbi ɔdi sika kyɛn deɛ ne nsa yɛ dɛ ɛka deɛ ɛfɛ no fiscal deficit no 2012 after election no fiscal deficit ɛsii da na ɛnam more than double digit nyankopɔn adom menim sɛ because of aban ɔno discipline ho nti yɛafiri IMF mu nanso deficit ɛnɛ yɛbɛ record anaa yɛbɛka sɛ yɛbɛ record 2020 it will be less than 5 wonim sɛ ayɛ mmara Fiscal Responsibility Act.
Woka ne say ya na kyɛ ɔman no akɔnma sika no etwa a yɛsɛ yɛbɛdie no ne aboro so wɔ mu no ɛna woka sɛ neisi yɛbɛte sɛ yɛdi aboro so kora ɛbɛyɛ kakra bi ɛbɛyɛ wɔ hankyɛ mu sɛ yɛnum
yes less than enum ɛbɛwɔ fam kyɛ enum
kyɛ sɛ enum no kora enum
na
yɛdi aboro
o say
yɛdi aboro so
oh ebi sɛbi o ɔman bia wobɛkɔ no sometimes ɔmo tumi boro so nanso ɛnwɔ sɛ ɔmburu so bebree because ɔburu so bebree a ɛma wo sikasɛm ne ɔman no yɛ basaa ɛno ka wo na yɛkɔ IMF no na ɛnɛ nyankopɔn adom saa de no ɛnsi secondly no ebi ɛyɛ a meka sɛ ɔman deɛ wayɛ te sɛ patient a wakɔ hospital wode obi kɔ hospital a doctor ba a ɔhwɛ nneɛma bi na wahu sɛ o nipa wei deɛ fɛ no indicators saa na saa GDP ni growth ni ɛma no saa na ɛte wontumi nhwɛ ɔman no gyinaeɛ without those things na ebi yɛde Ghana share na Akufo-Addo nsɛm no wohwɛ ni indicators a na ne temperature ɔyɛ patient a ɛwɔ soro paa ebi aduru 40 na o temperature ɛyɛ hiti 40 a kyerɛ sɛ wobɛn owuo ɛna yɛkan na GDP no na ɛwɔ fam asɔ ɔman no na yɛnkɔ yɛnim bebree ɛba yɛ dwumayɛ market value no ɛma ɛnɛ nyankopɔn adom akɔ n'anim ɛnɛ budget no bɛyɛ sure sɛ 2020 no still growth no ɛbɛkɔ n'anim mesɛ ɛbɛkɔ n'anim a sɛbisɛbi o sɛ na akyɛmfo ahwɛ mi ɛmba fam sɛ ɛbɛwɔ ebi a ɛbɛn sɛ ebi a yɛwɔ na wohwɛ a na 2011 yi a yɛ growth na ɛnam over 14% ɛnsi wɔ US nyinaa da esi ni fam saa ebedu 3.5 enti saa nneɛma no nyina bɛyɛ kama enti wohwɛ Ghana as nipa a deɛ ɛyɛ a meka ne sɛ yɛde Ghana hyɛ na Akufo-Addo nsɛm ɔyɛ doctor wayɛ sure sɛ wohwɛ temperature wohwɛ pressure nneɛma no ayɛ kama ebi a BP no nduru 128 nanso afi 250 na under Dr. John Dramani Mahama ɛwɔ no yes yeah
na ne yɛde ne brɛ wo mfie mmiɛnsa ni wohwɛ baabi a temperature na duru no a as a doctor no na wabɔ wo ho mmɔden wode na ne temperature no wɔ soro ne ɔde ne baayɛ sɛ wate ase baabi a wode na duru no ɛnɛ yɛgyaa mu a wɔnwu
wonim deɛ ti a US nyinaa yɛuse GDP interest rates your reserves yɛuse inflation deɛ ti yɛuse saa nneɛma ne sɛ wogyama a champon sɛ ɔnka sɛ ɔmo yɛ ne sɛn a ɔbɛka ne kwan ɛbɛyɛ dɛ ojama Dr. Koboya mɛka ne kwan ɛyɛ dɛ enti na yɛ use indicators ɛno no ɛyɛ scientifically proven ontimi ndane no enti mi kan meyɛ doctor amahwɛ patient na ne temperature ayɛ kama ɛnyɛ Dr. Ko na ɛkasa ayɛ kama ofiri ebi akɔlebu ofiri reach wobɛkyɛke koraa wobɛhu sɛ ayɛ kama enti deɛ mepa kyɛ ne sɛ gains a ɔman wei ayɛ no ɛnyɛ yɛ pɛ na yɛka ɔnim reports a ɛfiri even external obi aka nanso ebi a mamenka bread and butter issues. Obi bɛka sɛ na.
Efi sɛ ɛno na mi bɛbi sɛ mo abɛn yi deɛ asɛ indicators no yɛ free inflation no yɛ kɔ single digit ne ɛno kwan na mo de yɛ adwuma nipa no ɛwɔ mfɛmani mu nka Ghanafoɔ na ɛmo ani abɛn
wɔhu mehwɛ w'anim na mehwɛ sɛ na
Ghanafoɔ sɛ ɔsi mu figures no Ghanafoɔ sɛ mu figures na mo adwo mo
achampo ɛdani dani ne kɔn no mehu sɛ ɔbɛsɛ mi ba bread and butter issues
yɛnhwɛ bɔhyɛ no a mo hyɛ yɛ no mpɛmpɛnso
and now yeah kasa yi 2020 be a year from SS1 SHS1 to SHS3 omo nyina omo ko school omo ntua fully rolled out say 2 badges na ye show 2020 from year 1 to year 3 and see that ikuma ye kakra wo north ye nyina ma no so say obomodin enti for the first time on my way eba be hwe say over 1 million students across the country omo nyina aban etua fees na we na eja na o ba ko SS na aban atua mana enya aban odwe ho
There's education sector.
And then butter, yes, bread and butter issues. So 1,000 and now 2,000. Udi bako akoma and I'm going to say, Udi chefie. Number 2, everywhere. You ever started program? I feel free air topa. Sana doom sobre monari asiti.
Oh, for fast asem naba.
I mean,
but mutim la shebe juma. Ye ba ye hita ye timi kura me hu adwiri me. Muntimi ntua live na se
Professor Michael Kwechiao.
Me bisa said the entity at Fifreti as a professor.
Me nim the entity nansu dear me then say me won say Fifreti pa na yes so air condition
would have been Fifreti at
ampa
more reason
I feel from my bank
ya ba kwa ne kan so munim sen ne ye be kan budget to 100 ye sha se ye de ye ba ye ba ya Fifreti no masane agu ye so wa
doctor committee a hwe ne ma we se committee bi na hwe committee a champion count musumin count house committee a tell me wa but me can say titi no ansa na Akufo-Addo ba be president no na say na Fifreti e se na o ton o titi no na etie ema arefi se say am from a pie fire hu no o kan na o hwe enye MPP bank wan hwa wa ba Dr. Kobo ebia mu friend say rashes na agu enti ebi why ya bomodi ye di sika share energy mu ama aye stable ebi why nanso yenye ni nyina
yeah, that's it. Yeah,
one line. Everywhere. Aban we nya aban wa ye ni nyina. Ye gitum. Nanso enye da kru na ye di siman. Kai. Se me nwa we mo 8 years. Eno na Fifre no.
Yeah, that's it. Abusiafo Dr. Okuboyi emrahye badwani ma omanfo ye owo legekuku ene ne no atwetwe nkomo no na Fifre ni de abusua wo behwe nsantwefo ewo mrahye badwam ha se nyina wo bia ba bia yete no mrahye badwam ne adi dwumade afiri ma wo na wo hyew bi ate agu ye so no di nyame ma me nkom mrahye badwani ma omanfo ye owo bia east
no wafa ka wana
na ye nhwe Honorable Okuboyi ka ho ye nhwe no abom mabobo ensem bi a 2018 mu soafo no kan budget no de to ye nimu akwan wo nu mu behwe akwan ahodo mbehwe aye mfididwuma ye behwe ne ya pagyamu eno so wo ho no mo ye behwe na agriculture so ye tumi ahye mu kena eno ni ye move from rain for food and jobs aba emwa ye benye mwa ne yenye sika ne adwuma afiri mu ni nyina ye mmon kompone ye hwe ye chi ba bia de adu honorable
Parliament metimaka say afia saso the same in our office na adechia de yenti boni bia o menkosua so MPP for indicators of Moka Dr. Okuboyi repeating no it is a organizer or work kwan ho a pump tire or pump you tire pressure not be ma no a different from say obeko workshop papa e Toyota Ghana Honda no sa pump you tire am on different person. And so why you careful? And then pump the area back to the accident. From Monday to Bumuno, back to my 50. The same car time now because you know play 27. Indicators of what swinging and care positive there. I don't know to move on issue. America no catch will say indicators are positive. Abana creating employment more than 1 million. A month for any show no. Amanfo kwan NCA amanfo nya yare sabia ko amanfo kotodo kuno mutimede eto wo bosume so oketu asun di eno ne fe no positive indicators no because on numbers ni e positive na menu mienu yesu abe ne den
eti wunnim wo de sikasem wunnim mu ye ka woni amrahye badwam ti wo kura wo party no mayi say committee ye hwe sikasem so kom wunnim sikasem mu no se ye ka se nipa ho dwo no figures no count nipa no bottom se sika wo nipa no bottom na inflation da baabi enema nyina ekọ baabi e beka se o man nim yes na ye ka no
everywhere inflation you can live with inflation even 100% pa na sika obotum on fa ho
but eno na boa o man boa o man chechire
because ne man boa den ba wo sika it is a tibia no beto it inflation dey nyewu se de ka no na levels na ekọ no e ka wase but what I say and etina me kwa koto ayi fan say entos you see 50 cedis mo 1000 cedis ametimi ato etina yatum akọ ayi 200 etina me sike 2000 se metimi asa ato Eti inflation
na
no.
ne yɛtena wɔ man no mu saa yɛ mɛdane Zimbabwe sɛ yɛde bɛyɛ 10,000 bɛtɔ paano
Ano the example na me dem ma.
baako
Example na me dem ma. About way by in 2017 or the budget by. Team of the Toso no say sowing the seeds for growth and jobs.
2017
2017 budget team of the Toso no. Na say be dua baby ama mlante ye adimpuntuo aba mlante ye adwuma ye no man so akonkan. Ye ho hwe 2018 or see putting Ghana back to work. Not 2017 then na anya adwuma. 2018 boom they are putting Ghana back to work. 2019 budget or say a stronger economy for jobs and prosperity. You were November 2019 jobs on the way. Ye dear no so he
job bi o mama nipa nya adwuma
wo ba. Am soon pay adwuma mu nya adwuma. Menu mi no ye disposable income sika we ye botom no. Kane cement near 28 Ghana cedis and 3940 Ghana cedis or Bia East. Aketua no so ye ntum. Koko kwe ni 3 years in to koko only 40 Ghana cedis. Ya to cement ya to petrol ya to chance bibia go kosoro. Kesika ya tum and ne phone wo ye call. Wo to carry 10 cedis ya 70 pesos. 80 ye dia no we he. Koko kwe ni ndi sabaman fertilizer free na MPP abamba wo so matwam. Benchema ko se kujokom kwan ya na contractor wo so ya pam no 3 years ni kwan no ye nyeye. Adabo krom tunkan kwanta kwan contractor wo so ya pam no 3 years ni na akwan miense kwani krom nyina no akwan no asi ye nyeye.
Na honorable can you say your budget no eya wo hwe wo komu hwe asem ampanifo no ka ebisa wo nka se mu aka bibi se omo ka se omo be adwuma no we na no so afọ ye o hwe mayi ye nkrato nsem so kwadwo opon kroma wo se ye ba ye nipa mpim ha 100,000 emmabuna no wawie suapone a wonya adwuma enye ye tumi ama wonwuma true napo nurse fo anu wonum titi efie wo mafa bia ma omo ye adwuma ye ba kokoo ye a wo kan ye a enu so mu nkyiremu ne sen wo kan budget na omo se ombe add value to kokoo no ayedua ne ye nya free mu ene mpanimfo se yensa ka $600 million ye de be hye kokoo no ma ne ma atumi akoso ni nyina no se wunhu hwe
ABY afibia no emrantie ne maye university and school pon no abro 100,000 afibia 80 said that ni po ye nka omo ho asem na 3 years ni pa 300,000 and 400,000 and atifie 400,000 then na waye enura ye ni youth employment agency CI in the budget I'm so me for 110,000 I'm for 107,000 110 comment man for mo omo me to target Ghana Revenue Authority can so budget 33 billion sika tax revenue almost see 3 billion there almost me almost report to ni and the NDC almost NDC year more home there no between 2014 up to 2016 na year 24% tax revenue to our GDP MPP amafa nipa 125 ministers and deputy no almost 90% our copy bisa no 90% and 24 one about na home there enunti na bagigi sika tax revenue common fund ntimi ntua na hwesoma mempo wadi na kwa hwe bram do benya de aba ene ko ayi mi ankasa mempesua so kan 15 akwani nyina tutu 3 years ni grade ba ko pa banti mfa metwitwa ye kwan so mi na MP mako bobo sin a mesesa abuogu o wo nta kwan so se amafo betim akọ atimi aba na no atimi ko natbo se mko pe grade ono de nyame enum ne kurani papa ro tene ne maame ono me kasa aka mapa we de wonim se msiti me de menya mama nyo sem sa oyam pipi ne but o se onabo kamema grade ni bi na grade ni nyina is fully book this next year na menya grade amount eti yentra kwanfu we mu next year eti abaji sika 85.5 billion sika no de no de aye otu adwumafo ka na kotua bosia oji nyina wie pe sika na sa wo se wakoji 600 million cocoa board loan koko kwani na onya kwan so mfa onya yaresabia enko onya nsuo nom nkani ese de konkurasi 3 years ni abamba ye onye ba kokurapo wo se wo di 7.5 million e ba be chese si di chocolate ani ayi ye no milo e kroma say about 41 million a break etimi ye kuafo kwan nyina de momo abma odwiri koko kwani ho koko kwani na de sika kotua ka no what's the 1.9 million also farmer data correction Me one no secret ni ukwa kotwa ne koko agu. Koko Greenland 2.9 million hectares. Who all this information? Now they try my one per se. Private companies na omo eto koko at the million chocolate no. Abansi says ko dim 200 million. Ekomo omo so mo fanko yo madwuma. I don't know what banking kwa
say honorable. Wo kan etra se omo fanko yo madwuma. Enne ni abanyame ate ase ne se enyuma semfidi dwuma kora wo pagam ne pagam a enya aban no ne be ye PPP wo mo ne ankorankora na eka bomu aye etisi ye di sika so asene ye wo emfidi dwuma a wonum da kokoo mu wo ha sika nsom asene madwuma no mu ntimi mpaga bone be ne wo mu
ebi we kokoo kwani na wati ne kokoo no adabo kokoo nka kwata kwan wo lodu kokoo egu track so aka ho ma pack entimi nko kasape kwan bridge no dade bridge no abuagum bosum nani ka ke sentiment fa so
na ya kwan yi na mpanimfo se bosia no aba wonum be hya se
ye be si so ke so ma sa kwan no 2017 budget na wom 2018 budget wom 2019 budget wom 3 budgets ni nyina na sa kwan no wom ba kokropo omonye na kokko na wo de akwaje bosia na kawuram kokko kwani no nya duane ni ye ni die di chocolate ye duane ekom di nipa no oyale onya yare sabi anko se me di 5 million ekwa di chocolate na wonu ma to so kokko kure ni sika na de ko di chocolate what be that controversy ni suman enenani de ye ni ehu ni edi ho adanse na wo de 3 budget aba infaso bi ama dia is me kwa me nsa nyina opam contractors chief compa ba ko po 3 years untimi nsiye grade appoint information makwan so na wo de budget we ba ni da so ben na wo budget we because one year
budget na ba no wahu
what say
budget na eba no wahu
budget onu po hu ye me na hu budget no
enti bu be dan hu say ni da so onim
and the graphic a publish say oba be restructure taxes unim me wa VAT when the can increase by 5% national insurance 2.5% first now to make a move back abai increase through the media review get fund 2.5 who can buy 5% communication tax we increasing by 50% it will kwa utua tax it about the two na badada at my catches of 25% to 20% 3 years in the 20 year. Energy sector levy at my DBA Cajon or Jisicano Swa, family friends and girlfriends, so much as Kennedy.
And no, dear Unia dance here.
Mediano Nipe what BIC say, I must tell them to Miss Society because budget means sending Yanano and Timania Quine and Timan City compound. Secondary school job, Mama shall see a dear bosom for World Bank or at a swore abandoning to be 3 years in it. Or put the music at the whole. Me at $156 million at all. 3 years in it, about this guy at the floor. School Nakaho. Eti uketro bi obie so meto abama obioma automa so enye den
yeah that's it abusia mrahye badwani ma omanfo ya obo bia eastern na ye ne no atwetwen enkomo no ye de fi omayi mrahye badwamu enne akomasika fimpinu ene aduonu de na yeguso a ehon nsam ye de ema wo ye hwe animu efi no du kopepepe soafo a ohwe omayi sika sam so nmunyamfo kenofo yata obeba mrahye badwamu asei na ene ne obo a wode tudwa no wode ho nsam aba ye hwe afimpinu ene edunkuno akomasika ya mpanimfo ka ase ye de ye adwuma ye tumi dia ye hin de de adu bohye no ye di so ana ye nko nmunyamfo ko boys honorable ye hwe budget 2019 die ne mpanimfo atumi e de aye eno na mrahye badwani ye di kan simu ka kuayo de koko ne mpanimfo ka ase wo beye ene ba bi ode nam a wonu hu ne se entwa yie ye ba ya kwan ne mpanimfo ka ase on beye ne wa ankasa obro nu so Lekma hospital kwan ehu dede yua na ese mpanimfo se wo ye de ne to nchen ya mfidi dwuma industrialization ye beye ho adwuma one district one factory dodo sen ene yatumi aye wo mayi musom na ye nkoye nim
ebu meda wasipa sebi o sebi enye se na ya ye Ghana kwan ena Akufo-Addo buy odi machine sebi eko bubu sa kwan nyina endi si aye no omo ka che so mo ya kwan pa na so fa Ghana bia obi asi boami na boami e chew se 8 years na dia o my we show mo nsem no o ma dia bro na buy onko dae na yisu mi kwan Lekma Road as example anka kwan no sebi or how kese da so anka dae buy no within 3 months na ye na so ye buy no like my pay a car me a midi mini who ya me could DH say into a contractor 25 million Ghana cedi. Titinu 250 billion.
I know your contractor ben contractor no
yes.
say no.
Yes.
Nature say near the contract no man dada.
Omo man contract somewhere 2015. Wa raising certificate baku enum one crown muntuaye. Enti sa suban ena na edit na Ghana ha. Ye free contractor isi kokwan no so. O di certificate ba ye ntua. Enti Akufo-Addo ba ye no. Sebi edwuma ya suma nkrofo so mo ye 2015. Na nkrofo contractors catch na say na woma ye half kra 1/3 kra ye nkokwan no so. This is what you are nyina. Somehow no mo di jaye. Enti like makwa no me ko di eche ye tua contractor ni bi. Skano ba na ni banks aji because na kano doors. Enti adon dey no one team nkokwan no for non performance ni other legal reasons. And I hwehwe contractor fofo. Ebi wa mi de wo kai sa kano contractor no odi o man no court. Ye hu be kire. Enu na ye abrabo a NDC jaye. Koko Rosa wo kai for 8 good years. Why ye bi anka go for osu. But
Koko Rosa no meba. Mobile ye no na contractors ni so mo ye adwuma na mo mo gya ye na nam so a they say Ghana ba bia wo bi esu yakwan ko mo to aso anko mo anwie
wo ye gya na 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 obi hwe fie so na wakọ na wo ba ye no wa be tu nkrofo mo ye adwuma a mo wia wo na obetu aka o bi so mo say krata be no mo ye adwuma hwehwe mu once a cow na obesua no you must know what is in it. In fact wo ye leader na ye gya bibi ma wo na wan hwe mu anhwe se den ekoso a ohun ye mobo na owie na obeka tell say wo di nika $1 billion a why ye no ben den enti eno ye fan to chen. The point am ye ni say aban we amfa machine anko bubu kwan now so because ye aman a sebio debia ye sika sem no before beka say e was some form of limit who ye free SHS ye discount be ye who tua take and pay energy ye discount e tua sebio who share other things ska enti e bi why ya ja to mu say ampa akwan bebre say na NDC kan ye sanity enti yakọ pesca mu ye dru na say mu ti about 3 billion cedis ye tua contractors kakaka Rose Minister ya MPs ebiwai ya ye wa ban mu kra ya manati asese wa bomodi ni free SHS wa bomodi ni economy wa bomodi eba ejuma because nurses me wo health sector say bi o minim say ya 54,000 plus health workers and see that denti na afa na ya ji wo nurses are omuwie under Dramani Mahama nyina ye na ya beji wo ejuma ebiwai ye discount e tua wo enti ya catch finance minister ya MP before say finance minister wa bomodi bebre Rose no yenim say jaw japade boni nanso pace kana forma one enti this budget no the minimum say budget we will address that concern na ye address no na mon kai so bi ka tell say why kwan na
budget no be address the concerns if you say the 2019 budget no ye wo rules bi a ye bobo so say ye be ye oboase anwam kwanta kwan ye be ye hade ye be ye sahwibenchema kwan ye bobo so a eno no ye duru hen and ye be ka bi egu
me see priority roads and a priority in this budget let me kasa ni say aban we nya aban a sebi o uka sema o si uka kra na me ye no mo uka sema ye den ye tie Nana Akufo-Addo finance minister majority leader impanyifo ewo MPP mu nyina ya tena se agya to mu say obia nim say eba other areas ye eba modin eba roads before beka say we have a lot of work to do everywhere but ye kasa no sometimes ya kakra so obia odi o man ahye ni nsem afi ba ko ba 8 years mo kan say otwi mu
efie nwotwe
say onye onhwe o man so everywhere one year kwan no onu zu no shower o si car aka kwan mu nanso anya hwe ye di jawa na ye de shower na mo kan say
eno ano
everywhere enti waka ye di be ko aye na in conclusion no everywhere koko sika everywhere Ekwafo hall menim say binya champion Akufo-Addo oyobi a wako school akọ enim Ghana fo bebre eye koko fo sika e na ye di hwe won amen no mo ba crash everywhere the meaning say sa 5 million o ka no Sebi, you to chocolate. Na Ghana di kra cocoa processing. O menya hu faso. Sebi o enye sika ebe wa ko dru Burkina. Anyway, I confirm any akodru ho. The meaning say sika na be wo Ghana ha. Ebe stimulate production. Ebe provide market. Na I confirm the across border. Sa sika no ebiwa osanka bio. enti the me can say sa 5 million no e ska ye be inject into your economy okay obi free say esre ye ton chocolate now what chocolate let's say 5 million worth unim so omo ye ejuma cocoa processing no omo ejuma be ko enim enti ebi why aban we ye fa Ghana for ska ye be sure say the ese ye be na sebio cocoa for mo my way ye nim say cocoa eso on my way mu enti un say cocoa sky ye bibia eni nkyere say ye di akwafo abro say na me kan omo mo ko akwafo no omo nya no mbaba ye cocoa ye gitum so omo abo my way enti na buy we ye buy no ya hear a lot of programs are really supporting cocoa farmers. He's aware, but Obibeka said there is room for what improvement. You're not perfect. Almost perfect.
Abusia, yene emrashe bedwani kasa waka bibi efa akwan ho. Na sese wutia ne empanimfo ka kye se ye kyese Sino Hydro bosi kyese we kra da nya bosia ye bata ye de bauxite na edi nsesa ne yatumi anya sika ne ye de aye omeya kwan ni bi. Eti yenhwe first phase project no ampanimfo sisika ni bi aba ye de beye ye de be hyase ye kra ne aye emrahye badwafo ati ha e bia na obi constituency le bi wom se wutia ye se Accra inner city roads na ese nkran ha se mantem akwan no sika no fa edi kan aba ne ye de bi beye Kumasi inner city roads ye de bi koye Kumasi akwan kuronua Kumasi kuronua nkasa mu asem na making Tamale interchange project eno so ne mampani kotwa ahomam no eno so eho adwuma wo sombi aye ena PTC runabout interchange project eno takrade omanfo e wato e mantem wo so de no no Adenta Dodo Dual Carriage Road eno so ewomu ampanifo so obeye Sunyane inner city roads Sunyane kuronua nkasemu akwanti omanfo ewo Sunyane na chese wo so de afiri mu baaye no Western region any Cape Coast inner city roads ato e mantem and mfimfini mantem kuro no mu akwan no so ewo mu ampanimfo so obeye na yesi upgrading selected feeder roads in Ashanti and Western region na yesi feeder roads bi ewo ato e mantem and Asante mantem and so mpanimfo beye and a rehabilitation of new Abrem of Fuasi Kuma road ehonum so mpanimfo so obeye ato ye mantem wo masua se tamna boy for so obankran ato e mantem akwan so ye ba mu ni da bi we kura anya ato e mantem na esa ato e mantem de na bi nim saa o construction of for hoje asekan do de pepesu akwan so eka ho eti ne ewom no no abon wo ka akwan ya na wo boso awusu nyina no first project Sino Hydro no aba akwan no ne aboboso de a kire no se we de wasumu a
ebu medical ka kire wo se 2017 budget be di akon junction to come 15 na wo budget no 2017
ye nsha ase kura
2018 be di akon junction come 15 na wo budget no
ene na ese fufu so solar road
2019 be di akon junction come 15 our budget no three budgets e ba twam eti wanya ajo na be ye no ye be si uso anke ye hye wo ma me da be de fikwa afie da nwumre eti budget in there wish list e no de ba di tirimupo because e beto aba ma make kan sema Ghana fo hu semba ba adwuma na mfie miense ni grade akwan fa madwa ye kwan so na akwan no betim da afi ba akwan ye sa akwan ne nyina aban no ye oba ye na ye bo se de ye 120 billion meno ka se ye bo se 205.5 billion
to da na mo so mo ho enwan we fi se ne ye nim ne miminim ne se ye ka emrahye badwamu ha ye wo committees ye committees ni ya chichemua sa benya government assurance committee mo de ne se mo fo mani ni akire bo hye no asoafo no beba be hye emrahye badwam ye be ya kwan ye be si suku adan ye be ye ayasabia no mo fo mani ni akire ni ehwe mpempenso be ne bedru eti se dru mpempenso bi na mo betena ha ka se ekwan no apie thrice ebo yakon masika mu yenye sa committees na mo so mo monitoring adwuma na mo ye ne sen
ebi wa mi na hye badwa na obia is sa kwan a obia se maka won se ma file question of parliament ya ma gina ha bi se minister ne se adabo kron kran kwanta kwan da be na ba ba ye adabo kron kodwa makwan be nda ben minister ne se no kwan ne dem abandon them my contract ye ba ye si ehwe ahwemo ye bone bi anim na mo ye nya sika ye beba ba ye de oba ne den
answer wunya ye no ye nya sika ye beba ba
just go to Facebook Google Richard Achampong boom me do questions asked in parliament and the answers provided Also say when money is available, we'll do those rules. 80 minutes are no or pay 2 minutes there. Or can't send baby. Nana Kufa say one constituency $1 million. And I wonder a 5.4 Ghana cedis. 3 years in it, Sikano Wahe. Who come see a toilet. One district, one factory, Bia is 40 Ben West Woho. Bia West 40 Ben Woho. You also 40 Ben Woho. And so what can I do to me? One village, one down, one can. Or some Lantian in my Benye Juma yet. Or see a Tissikasu, a comedy, a commodaso de. But Miason or Yedmo Bank of Ghana. And the effort to me, the man. Edemano no. Sikanya Busana Moje. Obia Yakaya 120 billion. Menuka say, I do 205.5 billion. Or the 85.5 billion I can win him say $600 million in Cocoa de in Cajon. Get for $1.5 billion and Cajon. Energy sector bond 6 billion and Cajon. Me and so we come by 17.5 billion and 85 billion way home. To whom much is given, much is expected. Abanegi sika no odi sika no first kan ko put juma.
Sa ukasa abangi sika no odi sika.
Recurrent expenditure.
Yeah,
odi sika no kire say. Abana for 125 ministers and deputy ministers. Any eba ban kokko say. Bosumi aketua no, bosumi so otua ni panika. It is so reduce to ministers no. Manaba be 80 because minister be o V8. Our saloon car, our security dinati. Me MP me car me team no bosom so certificate market to yam minister that come free DC that come free at 1.125 ministers what car am obi security no otu mu ka wie penesika na sa eti onye sika anye gota mu puhwe fi pa adokun kran say na nkrapo na fi adokure de constituency who come fi om constituency ya oho na aye that business sisi 4 months no mu nye diesel po no makosisa bola na free me kwan no from the
Awu can nature say, ye be kind budget in my bedroom ha, ye be kind be beach ramukeke back and yet juma.
And now we follow up now about wait to me a day because our majority in the house. A bit said no, I say finance minister, I'm not making a common fund. That will bet you. Sikana the quarter entire second quarter on 2 year, third quarter on 2 year, your fourth quarter. And no minister na okosia majority for no kwa because who person impeaching the power who have to test majority when I'm saying this for you not so no to test it no on mine and no na collapse on my way na finance minister
mo threat na mudi kan de ba say finance minister amma sika na nkotom common fund no ankwa ane budget no mumba no na ese mumba na
budget ni national budget yankrofo afre free constituency say ye dia yesere mo mun kwada nkotie asema minister ne ba beka because mo represent here ye only 106 ye ka say oman no nipa 30 million no budget ebenti ye participate here ni ye di nipa dodo na bro ye be participate na mo ye be ka no kwa magana fo hu say abana jibusa de ni wode or the more than 40 billion a year and connection desktop sika no so mfa nyam puntujuma and am dikeke to whom much is given much is expected. Sika no de there on recurrent expenditure otuejuma foka busia hu si ho na ban tua contractors so hu to mo ka say inflation our form inflation is a function of demand and supply me boa aban nyam puntujuma aban so nta contractors sika na okoto dokono wakoto cement wakoto nchensen enti when na spend sika there's no liquidity in the system sika any system no e no na ma ho kira me ho kire me ebi why amafo ho kira mo so contrast pa na say obi be stro 5 cities owura ba ho enye so e ho hwini o e ya ho kire e na mana ba ne sa ya bie kokko me no ka say enso me mpesua so do bi be dipo eden o to cement ayento de beto so ya tum nti wo sika na wo da so gina na wo je kokko kwani and then this not cocoa bag 475 no na to cement bags almost 15 bags
Cocoa de okofa ba na the more questions ababy say the wo kan enem panin for say ya tumi Ghana ni Cote d'Ivoire yɛtumi akɔ yɛn hyehyɛ ama sese po no yɛkɔ amansan dwa so a ɛnyɛ wɔnum na betutu anom ahode abɛkyɛ bɛbisa ɛsɛ aboa bɛni Ghana na yɛde yɛ price bɛkɔ ɛhyɛ aseɛ 2020 ba woka kɔkɔɔ deɛ no na no sɛ yɛde boɔ no kɔ na ɛyɛ a ɛmfa sika bebree mmerɛ
na
yɛ
nipa ne nsa nka yɛ ohia dokoroma ne wu wayale onye sika ntodo no wu a wo 2020 no fa so bɛ na wɔ so yɛte asi I'm say, let's think about today. Tomorrow will take care of itself because today has come. Yesterday is gone. Yesterday is gone. Today has come. Tomorrow will take care of itself. Image now and take care of its problems.
Me pe obro for na dia to odo pa busia e bra hye bedwa ni mo man for your war bia east ya for na o preach jano na honorable ye hwe ni say asem baako a ansa na na ye bekan budget yi ene mampani ni asoafo nyina akohia Peduase Lodge edi tu dwa di kan a hwe Ghana for say afimpinu ni aduonu a ye komi eye bra ye beto aba nanso bo hye ewom ni say ye ni sika mmoroso Ghana ade e ha ye no ye beto aba no a ene ye betumi sika ne ye bedia ye nto aba ni wie no say government ni lusu a no hu say ya boka Boshan ne say bi massa bio and she say ye ben ya ye de behwesa in the budget ya wanya bi
aban we ya ban a one fan enum pe anka
on fan enum nya
den on fan enum pe anka say on diska say be on go into outrageous deficit or the emrab or the bill about parliament a champion or ye penyin wo finance the first government or no aka say midimra eba na ebranin chichi mi say me call election year cry. Sebi o min ko diska any o min call more than some percentage. We set it at 5%. As a minister nim ne obana the deficit I call more than 5% 2020. Emrano to me start here my impeach no. Is it our your history?
I'm your impeach minister.
Yes. Ono no trano. What to me jine no so. And I hear because the drink now. So chine bi kwa ni power. Ya Yeshua say ye nyo bi a do election year. Obe tutu ne mama ye na ye di wi a na se na oka say ye di ne no ye di wi a ya wi election no obe wona kanea se bi ye dum no obe wona nsuo ejuma ni ho ye si ya freezy sa ne amane ye mpebio enti enu ye adi ba ko a on a more serious note no ya bomodi as of mine se ye hia IMF so obe ka tell say me discount krama o enti hwe wo osika nsem ye no ye di mra out yesu enti eno no you are sure. My brother see common funds cannot buy it. I'm from minister no amba. Everywhere on him say bisa questions. Who person finance minister or appear before the house? You can put a question to the finance minister. Oh, there is no way. Even speaker on him, speaker minister or fraud one to now amba. Or to me at Jenny the house.
And see what happened? And they beto Jasenura, administrator of the district assembly common fund, the minister Eba house so has say. Agreement in there.
Everywhere, Sebio Parliament on him. There were soft approaches and hard approaches. Soft approach, you say, a informal route. Yet to me because then you for many years. And the MPs, yet to me inviting ministers say, fiber bomb problem ben aonya and a common fund maybe in Sankai. Common fund administrator, yet to me, Sebio Efreno, say, oh, fire bomb what is happening? But there were the formal and official route. Over the informal route, say, I'm going to come on bar. Ultimately, on him, ultimately, pose a question.
I know, sir. You were emergency question on bed to me, sir. Urgent question, rather, urgent question. And you were the normal procedure, so bed to me, file questions now or there. And as a statement to cry, I'm sure to be kind by your son.
Yes.
Into way, you know, they're in the course, so mean, radio.
Of course, when you say, Senator Okano, me, say, the get fund administrator, shy. Seven for Parliament, Dr. Kobo count. Nim said the arrangement was that the finance minister should have also come. But the point I'm making say, as MPs, no, you were your procedures. If I invite you, me grantee a chance for seven on me catch or chant or a senior brother. Sanka was on background, na bon combat. Meaning say, and yet the official route. That's why I'm saying that if that is the case, let's use the official route to ask him questions. Why is the common fund outstanding like you are saying? But my point is that my didn't say Oyobia, said yeah MPs no over to me on fire that cannot happen. In conclusion, say na American, yeah, lower middle income country. Yes, so might be a lower middle income. She said, "There was some problems, all grapple with. The infrastructure is not yet perfect. It was said unborn humodin, not working on these things. But you have to be prudent with how you manage what you get. The assurance I mean, Ghana for the say, the beer ebeba futuro no mu, ebeba mo dia sure say, sebio ochina ebeye kama, chen enra. Enkoye ti say, the ye catch say bibia kama, sebio akwan, I say akwan nyina ye obi breso no, ye I send tuma yasa adani no ya kofi. Ya so bibi afidie NDC eye no. Say oh ka say why ya akwan. Yes, sure say a coin why any year. Out Chinebi, you be who
a quanya why any year.
Exactly.
NDC a quanya man year.
Oh, everywhere. Now, say no be a Susan Aquana. I say, a good father be a president, and a Ghana, ebe or my starting. And Ufa voter, Yaquanya, Ubatesi, Yasobicon, Ukonof, Yaquanya, Uko, Western region, hey, Bobo, and the Ghana started and right. The engine film said. Usu your buyer, but more this say, the beer wire no, or Chinebi Yehu, the kind of beer say, ye politics in film. And was saying in a say, the contract more beer, everyone. Only Jumano over testing of White States. Estate no everywhere, quiet White State no. Me acquire catch me say, a champ on Brazil. Everywhere, still back on it is in good condition. Acquire man 2015, 2016, over 992. And the idea who quality as of mine. Now you politics in film kakra. Now you sure say it is scam obi so go acquire. Any acquire ye say you say a bomb cram be hu. Men ko say 1 year 2 years no na kwani nyina aye.
Honorable also now say oh can we yet chat but me free so a enye ye chese. Se man hwe ye ade ba ko ebetumi ha mo 2020 abatuo no mo e ya akwan no. Akwan a wo ka mo asemi no. Enne ne ya bobɔ so yi no omo a eye demonstration omo kura eye demonstration e wo mayi mu yakwan no minhu dodo no agom enti se wuyi saa nkrotuo ne akwan ahodo be du ya bobɔ so yi a mo se sign no hydro koye ho adwuma na the other rules ya amanfo su wo ho wo munya yakwan ye demonstration bi kura se ye ko flash staff house or say Jubilee house eno no dey na mo be ya fa ho in the budget na wa hwe mu no
everywhere. May catch you honestly say. Me didn't pay for a bon commoda. Say, model I use for roads our Ghana say no. The Asia demonstrations no. In the next 16 years, you still see demonstrations. We need a sustainable model. Politics in Tina Yakano, but many me bra champ.
Say almost of we are demonstration there die war. But demonstration we was when we be that. Say who country will be yakwan.
Me see, say and you politics and frame me kasa as will be a mid door my way. Na mini me bra champion. Ya jet to say model I you see modeler. Why this say yakwan e my way me say. And one place and I determine say Okoboy kwan woteshi. Ye kakra mano. Udra champion krom kojabusu ye kakra mano. Konof ye kakra mano. It is not a sustainable model. I'm being honest with you. Oh, like my choir, you know. Yeah, kwanu we are. Say crack me baby. There is no assurance say you was coming down. Doctor, within 1 week. You better go ahead. I go see. So I'm talking about a sustainable model. What do we have to do? There are many ways to make sure that there is always some money at LECMA. That's the municipality, which is for maintenance of roads. Say Baza, who said Dr. Kobo meeting of roads ministry. If power is in 8 years. Power system in 12 years, power system in 16 years, and we run this model. Still, Ghanaians will go on the streets.
Yeah, but kwa ba san ba su bio.
Me do on my own.
Better say.
Me do on my own.